I guess the way to start this is to say this is the first moto vlog, I guess you'd call it. Got new tyres on the Mrs. SV650 today. Gonna go scrub them in the local car park. Am I going to catch that car halfway around the bend, or am I going to be able to clear it? What's going to happen? I managed to clear him. Don't want to lean it too much on these as they're new tyres and they need scrubbing. Get that shininess off them. And this is my little play area. I'll come here a few times. I normally come to have a little play, try out bikes. As that side's a bit rough, but this side is nice and smooth. So we can, oh, that's a peg on the floor. Boot, not peg. And that's knee on the floor. That's knee on the floor on that side. That'll be suitably scrubbed. And the same this side. Just gradually leaning it over, scrubbing the side more and more and more. Should probably say these are the Michelin Road 5s. A little touch. Relax a bit, getting stiff on the bars. Let's go again. Nice, loosey goosey, getting all tense here at the moment. Feel it slipping on the white lines. It's a bit unnerving. Can't quite get the left hand side down. So have a little break. Let's get. Unlike the Daytona, you can feel the back of the seat. There's one big slope. It's a bit more difficult to find. Half an arse cheek off. Loosey goosey. And we go again. Look into the corner. And there it is, it's down. Nice scrape there. There we go. Knee down in a car park. What, second gear, 20 mile an hour maybe? Around the other way. It's easy going the other way. Put that foot in. Used to go around rights in the UK. Going around roundabouts all the time. Loosey goosey. And there it is. Easy, 20 mile an hour, second gear, in a car park. Prove you don't need to be going 100 miles an hour to get your knee down. Set over this way a little bit. Let's drop it down here. I don't want to use the word drop. There it is. Definitely well and truly scrubbed in that. A little bit left on the front, more on the left hand side surprisingly. Maybe knee wasn't as far out. Oh, there we go. and then emergency stop. We'll across this line and yeah, smell that, little bit of a skid. Might need to practice that a bit more. From 30 across the line and well, from 30 mile an hour. What's that? Let's do it from the front of the bike. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 meters from 30 mile an hour. Do a quick knee down bit. Left hand side. Let's go. Ass cheek off. Put foot in. Knee out. And away we go. Lean it over. Loosey goosey across the bar. 20 mile an hour or so. Stay away from that gravel over there. Drift this way a little bit and lean it in. And there it is. I quite like that there though, Roxy. Put your name tag there. Wow, that works well, doesn't it, eh? Fancy that? Sorry, officer. It accidentally blew in the way of the speedo. Not a lot I can do about that, unfortunately. I'm liking that. Can't believe how torquey this bike is for a I know it's an inline, not inline, it's a V, which gives it that torque. It doesn't have much top end grunt. It's what only red lines at 10.5, which for 600, 650 is a little on the low side. You compare that to, you know, R6s and Daytonas that, you know, up at around the 14, 15, 16,000. But it's got bags of torque. Got me club car points. Air pump. Clumsy today. We'll stick some momentum in it. Go for the top end fuel. And there's the immobiliser kicking in. Sounds like a bomb's going to blow. that's the bike fueled up, tyres scrubbed in, dragged some knee, albeit 20 mile an hour in a car park, but hey, still got knee down. So we'll have a up to this roundabout, turn around, and then home time.